Welcome to Kids Learning Center.
Hello kids. In this video, we will learn alphabet. A,
A,
B,
B,
C,
C,
D,
D,
E,
E,
F,
F,
G,
G,
H,
H,
I,
I,
J,
J,
K,
K,
L,
L,
M,
M,
N,
N,
O,
O,
P,
P,
Q,
Q,
R,
R,
S,
S,
T,
T,
U,
U,
V,
V,
W,
W,
X,
X,
Y,
Y,
Z,
Z,
red color,
red color,
orange color,
orange color,
yellow color,
yellow color,
blue color,
blue color,
green color,
green color,
purple color,
purple color,
pink color,
pink color,
brown color,
brown color,
A for apple,
A for apple,
B for ball,
B for ball,
C for cat,
C for cat,
D for doll,
D for doll,
E for egg,
E for egg,
F for frog,
F for frog,
G for glass,
G for glass,
H for hat,
H for hat,
I for igloo,
I for igloo,
J for jam,
J for jam,
K for kite,
K for kite,
L for lamb,
L for lamb,
M for man,
M for man,
N for net,
N for net,
O for onion,
O for onion,
P for pen,
P for pen,
Q for queen,
Q for queen,
R for ring,
R for ring,
S for star,
S for star,
T for train,
T for train,
U for umbrella,
U for umbrella,
V for van,
V for van,
W for watch,
W for watch,
X for xylophone,
X for xylophone,
Y for yacht.
Y for yacht.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you. See you soon.